Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RealtyMogul Investment Alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate RealtyMogul Investment Alerts, begin by visiting the RealtyMogul website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Alerts or Notifications section in your account settings. Click on this section to access your alert preferences. You will see options to set up different types of investment alerts. Choose the types of investments you want to be notified about, such as real estate deals or market updates. Specify the criteria for your alerts, such as investment amount or property type. Make sure to enable notifications for these alerts. You can also opt to receive alerts via email or SMS. If you prefer SMS, enter your phone number in the designated field. After customizing your alert preferences, save your changes. Check your email or SMS settings to ensure they are correct. To test your alerts, you may want to preview any existing investment opportunities. This will confirm that your alerts are set up correctly. You can always return to this section to modify your preferences as needed. Now you are ready to receive timely updates on RealtyMogul investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.